Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to catch the frost globe jelly in Fish It. So this glowing jelly is a must-have for your collections, but it only appears under certain conditions on Christmas Island, so don't miss out. So the first thing that you need to know, I use the Ghost Finrod for this and also the Corab bobber. And for the fishing spots, actually I got this in this fishing spots for around I fished around 2 hours and I got this legendary fish. And you can also get it from the other location, which is in front of the Christmas Island. So I actually want to catch the train wheel, but I got the jelly instead. So just try your luck to find the jelly. You can go fish in here or the previous one that I showed you before. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.